What's going on, YouTube? So today we're gonna be doing part 2 of the Civic. So now I'm gonna explain really quick why we want to fix this car, and it's because the car is clean title and it just needs a motor. I forgot to explain that, and let me show the damage. And then there is the damage right there. So we need a motor for sure, and we need that AC thing right there, the compressor, whatever it's called. So yeah, that's what we need. And after that, we need to fix the tires, and we're gonna be fixing the trunk as well. Well, cleaning the trunk. And we'll show you guys what it looks like after. But for now, we're just gonna wash the car. Alright, so now the whole car is clean. As y'all can see, looks way better, honestly. We have noticed some damage from the paint. We might have to buff that or spray the whole car. But either way, looks way nicer now. And what we're gonna do, we might paint the rims, lower the car a little bit, but that's gonna be after we're done with getting the car started. The interior is done. So now we're just gonna do the trunk for now, because we still have to clean that. So yeah, we're gonna get to the trunk now. So that's everything that we got out of the trunk. Just trash, honestly. And this thing doesn't get any better. Look at this. Random cables, which we're gonna remove right now, if we can. And we're gonna clean this up as much as we can as well. And try to make this thing look, honestly, better. This looks like trash right now. So now, what we're gonna end up doing is removing the seats, all of them, and we might install the seats that we removed off from my cousin's car, just so it looks a little bit cleaner, because those seats are okay, but they're really dirty and they were burnt from the sun. So now we're gonna clean this. But yeah, we have to clean this for sure. Look at that. All right, so this is what we have after a lot of scrubbing and using that right there. Honestly, it looks way better. So now what we're gonna do is just put as much things as we can in the trunk, things that we need and that we're gonna use. And that's gonna be it for today. Now, something else that we're gonna do today is gonna be installing my cousin's seats off of his car to this one, because the seats are really crusty. So yeah, the Civic is coming along, and soon we're gonna have a motor for it. We're just looking at prices and people that can do the swap for us, or either we're gonna do it. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Like and subscribe. God bless. The Civic is coming along. A short little video, we found the EM1 rear disc that we're gonna install either on his car or my car. And I'm taking that. Someone was lucky enough to take the whole interior, the swap, transmission, and the cluster. And my cousin was lucky enough to take the lip, OEM lip. So we're gonna take this thing off, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I can't find the VIN number. Where's the VIN number, Eric? Oh, it's not there. Oh, it's right here. The M1. So yeah, we scored this